Welcome to our Vue.js 3 tutorial on Provide and Inject with the Composition API. Let's start with the basics. We import three things from Vue: Provide, Inject, and Ref. Here we declare a piece of reactive state using Ref. This state will be shared across different components. By calling Provide, we make this state available to all descendant components. The first argument is the key we use to reference the provided value, and the second is the value itself. In the setup function, we return the shared state so it can be used directly in this component's template or other options. Now, let's switch to a descendant component. We start by importing only Inject from Vue, since this component will access the provided state, not declare it. Here we use Inject to access the shared state. The argument shared key must match the key used in the provide function of the ancestor component. If we're not sure if the shared state will be provided, we can set a default value like this. If shared key isn't found, shared state will be set to this default value instead. Finally, we return shared state from the setup function so it can be used in the component's template or other options. This completes our basic setup for Provide, Inject using the Composition API in Vue.js 3.